Hello students, Stage Anandam. Today we are discussing on the topic of the principle of practice management. The topic is the functions of management. Myself, Dr. Uday Kumar Gupta, Associate Professor, Stage School of Management. So let me discuss about the functions of management. So whenever we discuss about the function of management, as you know, there are five major functions of the management. That is the planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Next is the planning. As Henry Ford say about the plan is the plan of action is at one and the same time the result envisages the line of action to be followed, the stages to go through, and the method to be followed. So planning basically is the thinking function, and it involves a lot of things that makes research, forecasting, strategy formulation, policy making, programming, scheduling, budgeting, and the problem solving. So as it is the thinking function, so that is deciding the things which can be done in the future. So that is the deciding function. Next one is the organizing. So organizing is the structure and process by which a cooperative group of human beings allocate its tasks among its members, identify its relationship, and integrates its activities towards a common objectives and goals. That is given by J.L. Massey. So the organizing function is start with the division of work. Then we assign the duties of the different persons, defining the responsibilities of the employees, delegation of authorities among the employees, grouping the activities, and finally establishing the structural relationship in the organization. So that is the major function, major activities included in the organizing function. Next function is the staffing function, which is related with the human resource management. So that is the process of placing the right person at the right place at the right time. It includes the recruitment, selection, training and development, performance evaluation, and compliances handling and caring the staff for the human resource. So that is related to the manpower. Next is the directing function that is related to the guiding, supervising, motivating, and leading the people. There are four basic elements in the directing function that are supervision, motivation, communication, and the leadership. And the last is the controlling function of the management. Controlling means removing the difference between the target performance and the actual performance. So controlling is the process in which the following steps is there. First, we deciding the standards of the performance. Then we measure the current performance and comparing it with the standard performance. If there is a difference between them, we are taking the corrective actions accordingly. So that is the all about the management functions. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and subscribe to Sage University in Bhopal. Sage Anandam.